Hi, are you looking for a livable boat in the Caribbean? Well, I have the perfect one for you. Let's go and take a look at this lovely 2016 Leopard 40 based here in the British Virgin Islands. This 2016 model has a nice light ash interior, bright and airy. If you're looking for a boat that you can have your coffee on in the morning, it's got this lovely front door here. Nice breeze coming through here in the mornings. Very bright and airy. This is an owner's version, so let's just take you downstairs and show you the layout down here. Beautifully presented. Nice double berth there. Storage. Owner's living on board at the moment. Plenty of space, nice little office there, look. This boat has air conditioning, generator, shower and head. Lovely and clean. I love the windows on these little boats as well. Look at that view. This is a lovely, lovely boat. TV there, look. Nice spacious saloon area. Probably going to spend most of your time out here in the cockpit. Nice and clean. Windows slide across there, look. Opens the boat up totally, all the way through. You've got a nice breeze coming through this boat. It's a lovely feature on these Leopards. Going down port side, we have double berth stern. Again, lots of storage, plenty of room, amazingly spacious for a 40-foot boat. Got a shared head here. And then another third cabin forward. Again, this one, plenty of storage, shelves here, and storage area there, hanging locker. Moving up to the control panel here. AC, domestic AC units. And let's go forward and have a look at the areas going forward. There's a little bit of rain here, so we're just going to look at this generator locker, the space we have in there. Brand new Northern Lights generator, nice and clean, organised. You just see the anchor chain there. Very nice, very easy to service. And let's go through and look at the engine panels and start the engines up. Okay, so I just want to go over the navigation equipment on this boat. It's got the latest Raymarine suite of instruments. Chart plotter, Raymarine A7 touchscreen chart plotter, very responsive. It's got Yanmar 3 YM30s. I'm going to show you these engines to start up with the hours as well. "82 hours port, 95 hours starboard since they were rebuilt, and they're on the button. Lumar winches, all the sheets led into the helm position. Very easy to operate this boat single-handed. New running rigging. Viking life raft there. Let's do a quick walk around here. You can see all brand new rigging on this boat. Sails in very good condition. There's photos of the engines on the listing. Take a look at that. If you're looking for a boat in the Caribbean ready to go, water maker, AC, generator, rebuilt engines, new rigging, new sails, this boat is really seriously worth your consideration. Brand new listing for me, 375, situated in the Virgin Islands. Come and take a look at this boat. It's a very, very nice boat.